Lesson 12. Transport and Communication. Vehicles which we use to travel and carry our goods from one place to another are called the means of transport. There are three types of means of transport: land transport, water transport, air transport. Land transport. The transport that we use on land is called the land transport. Land transport are divided into two categories: roadways and railways. Roadways. Vehicles like bullock cart, horse cart, tonga, cycle, scooter, jeep, truck, bus, taxi, car and auto rickshaw are examples of roadways land transport. They all run on roads. Vehicles having engines need petrol, diesel, CNG or LPG to move. No more. Camel is known as the ship of the desert. Railways. Railways play an important role in carrying people and goods from one place to another. They run on rail tracks. There are passenger, mail and express trains for people to travel. There are goods trains also to transport goods. Water transport. The transport that sails on water is called the water transport. Ships, boats, yacht, steamers and cargo ships sail on water. People travel and carry goods to faraway places by these means. Submarines are also used by Navy to locate the enemy ships. No more. The compartments of passenger trains are called bogies and those of goods trains are called wagons. Air transport. Vehicles that fly in the air are called means of air transport. People use aeroplanes and helicopters to travel very long distances in a short time. This is expensive means of transport. Aeroplanes also carry goods. An aeroplane engine runs on gasoline. Means of communication. We like to exchange messages with our friends and relatives. The process of sending and receiving messages is called communication. There are two means of communication. Personal means of communication. Letter and telegram. A letter is the oldest means of communication. Urgent letters can be sent through speed post or by courier. If we want a short message to reach someone very quickly, we can send a telegram. Fax. We can send written or printed matter as well as pictures to other places through a fax machine. The fax machine is attached to a telephone line. Telephone and mobile. These are the fastest means of communication. We can talk to a person sitting at a far-off place within seconds. We can send and receive messages through a mobile phone. Mass communication. Sometimes we need to communicate with a large number of people at the same time. We can do so through the newspaper, radio, television, computer or laptop. This type of communication is called mass communication. Communication has also become faster because of satellites which are linked to our TV sets. Today, the computer has become an important means of communication. We can send messages to any part of the world through email. No more. Communication satellites send telephone, fax, radio and television signals from one part of the earth to the other. Let's recall. A vehicle helps in moving people and goods from one place to another. There are three means of transport: land, water and air transport. These are two means of communication: personal communication and mass communication. Messages are sent and received through different means of communication.